What's really good, fam? We in it. This is the very first video of this channel. This is going to be a sneaker channel, and I just want to go ahead and thank you guys for tuning in to the video. I want to just appreciate every viewer, every subscriber, every like helps. Listen, we're gonna be in this together, so as awkward as the first video can be, this is what it's gonna be. So I just want to appreciate you guys and thank you so much, Familia, for tuning in. Listen, I have a love of sneakers, and I just want to go ahead and sort of show that. And we're just gonna be reviewing sneakers, having fun. Any ideas you have, feel free to drop any considerations, any ideas down below in the comments. But without further ado, today we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. That's what Philip DeFranco says. Let's just jump right into it, guys, and let's talk about the Jordan 11s, the 25th anniversary Jubilee 11s. And these are a limited edition that have just come out. They really look like the Space Jam, so let's go ahead and take a look. First of all, right out the box, this is such a unique box. They have the actual pull hole in the front. These, we are rocking the size 11 in men's. I'm not an 11, I'm a 9.5, but unfortunately I could only cop the 11. I tried to cop my size, but you know how sneakers app is just, it is what it is. You gotta cop whatever you can. So as of filming this video, these have not dropped as of yet, so these will be coming out again. But for right now, this was during the shock drop that occurred on the sneakers app, and I was able to cop. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box. I'll have some B-roll for you guys as well. But right here, you have this very, very unique box opening experience with these multiple folds, almost sort of like an origami style. Like it's just kind of unfolds itself open. And this is just so legit, super attention to detail. Even when it comes to the actual tissue wrapper, the tissue paper, you're gonna go ahead and see the silver or platinum colored Jumpman with the 1995 and also 2020. Obviously, 1995 was the first time the 11s featured. So this is just such a clean colorway, guys. Look at this. Oh my God. This is just super premium. So let's go ahead and discuss what we have here. Let's go ahead and start with the sole. The sole definitely is going to be different in comparison to the Space Jams. You have a lot of people comparing these 11s to the Space Jam, and yeah, they definitely look a lot like them. But the Space Jams are super icy. They have that sole that's just almost like that blue hue, that glacier hue to it, and these do not have that blue hue. You have sort of like that gummy white style sole to it. In the bottom, you could definitely go ahead and see the Jumpman right through the sole, which is super nice. You also have right there in the mid part of the sole, you have that carbon fiber like design right there, and it just adds that little touch to it. Then you're gonna go ahead and have the typical white midsole along with the patent leather, that black glossy, super shiny patent leather. Now, some people like this, some people don't. I think it gives the 11s what they are, right? It gives them that vibe. Exactly. When you see that type of patent leather, I immediately associate it with 11s. So it's just super retro. Such a great subtlety to it as well. You also have the silver emblem, Jumpman emblem right there in the rear upper heel area. You also, if you turn it towards the rear, you're gonna have 23 right there, and it's sort of like thin at the ankle right here. The material sort of thins out for that 23 and just feels super comfortable. I love that fact because when you're rocking them, it's not scratching on your heel. These definitely go high. So, you know, sometimes when you rock high kicks, they kind of scrape up on the rear part of your ankle, and it's a horrible experience. Now, what's super unique to this specific shoe, the Jubilees, you're gonna have on the actual eyelets or the shoelaces where they go, you have Jordan running right across it. You have the Jordan, and that was just a really nice subtle detail that when I opened them, I was like, do the other 11s have this? I never really noticed it, and definitely they do not have it. This is exclusive to that. So it's just an all-around clean shoe. The laces, I love fat laces. These are just like chunky, laces. So guys, this shoe, unfortunately, I can't show it to you on feet because once again, this is not my size, but I will show you some B-roll of other people rocking them on feet. And so you make the decision. Is this a must-have in 2020? I think if you are a real attention to detail type of person, then yeah, because these are different, right? They're similar to the Space Jam 11s and they're similar to probably a few others, but what's going to be unique to them is the actual shoelace detail there with the Jordan going across and the fact that it's just super clean. So yeah, if you're a fan of 11s, you're really going to go ahead and be a fan of the Jubilee 11s as well. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any ideas, anything at all that you want to drop down below, once again, please feel free to do so. Subscribe. I do have a couple other pairs that we're going to be checking out. I have a bunch of retro ones. I have some Yeezys. I am slowly collecting more and more sneakers. So as we go along in this channel with this experience, just become part of the family, alrighty? So thank you guys once again. I appreciate you guys greatly for tuning in. Mi familia, my family, my people, mi gente. Up until the next video, I'm gonna holler at you guys later. Peace.